Hello everyone. I wanted to talk to you about a feature that's available inside Blackboard that's meant to help you with getting help outside of class, and not just in this class but in a variety of different classes here at Prince George's Community College. And the feature is called Smart Tutoring. Some of you may have heard of it before, some of you may haven't. So if you haven't, I really wanted to bring you up to speed on what kind of resource this is and how it can help you. Any class that has Blackboard can get you to the Smarthinking site. So inside your class list you can click on any class that you might be having right now. Once you get inside the class, what you want to do is come over here to the left hand side and click on the Quick Links tab. Once you get inside the Quick Links area, you'll see some of the main functions that you're interested in, like your grades, sending email, but the third one is what I'm going to want you to click on, Course Tools. Once you click on Course Tools, you see a number of different links inside this area. And there's a lot of different resources here. You may just want to check out a number of them and not just the Smarthinking that I'm going to be talking about. But since the focus of this video is on Smarthinking, I wanted to go ahead and show you that. So over here on the right hand side, you'll see the icon for Smarthinking Login. So you're going to click on that. Now if you have your pop-up blocker on, it'll say, hey, you need to turn off your pop-up blocker in order to be able to see this content. It'll ask you to go ahead and enable the pop-up, at least for this. Now, unfortunately, because I'm a teacher, I can't show you what Smarthinking looks like because it's only for students. They don't let the teachers use it. But once you log into Smarthinking, it has a number of different areas that you can use. You can either submit work to a tutor, and usually you'll get a response within 48 hours. If a tutor is online at the time, you will be able to talk with them in real time, ask them questions in real time, and have them respond in real time. And the hours are usually posted up on the main page when you come to Smarthinking. You can also submit a question, and then there's also there's some resources that they have that you can go and look information up. But really the one that students, at least in English classes, tend to like the most is where you can submit your paper and select different areas that you feel that you need help with, and the tutor will respond and give you feedback. So let's say, for example, that you know that you're probably having problems with citation in a paper and you want to get some help with that. You can click on the citation box when you go to submit your paper, and the tutor will write you back with specific notes about those areas. Now, you can only select up to 2 areas for the tutor to respond to you about, but that doesn't mean that you can't continue to submit the paper for other questions. But again, Smarthinking isn't just for English classes. You can get tutoring in mathematics. In fact, they have a tutor online for mathematics 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can get help in accounting, you can get help in biology, you can get help in Spanish. There's a lot of different courses that you can get help with for Smarthinking. So I really encourage you to use this. Try it at least once. If you've never tried it before, try it once. If you don't like it, obviously you don't have to worry about it ever again. But all the students that I've had use it in the past say that it's incredibly helpful. And especially if you're an online student and your schedule's really busy and you can't make it to campus for tutoring, and we do have tutoring at all 3 of our campuses at Largo, University Town Center, and Laurel College Center, for math, for biology, and for writing, and for speech. But if you can't make it in to those times, at least you have the Smarthinking tutor function that you can use. So again, I hope you give it a chance, try it out. You'll probably really like it, and it'll help you in your classes. If you have any questions about Smart Tutoring or Smarthinking, please go ahead and send me an email about it.